2011 Ford E250 Hightop Handicap wheelchair van. It is an ultra model by Mobility Works. Just turned 90,000 miles. Has a brawn, wheelchair lift, lowered floor. Excellent condition. It's a 2011 clean Carfax. Is a one owner, fully serviced. Beautiful van, leather interior. No accidents. Lowered floor, Sherlock tie downs in the floor. Leather, TV, DVD, wood grain. Beautiful indirect lighting throughout. Almost brand new tires all the way around. It's a beautiful van, very straight. Again, it is a one owner clean Carfax. 2011 Ford Econoline E250 Handicap wheelchair van. It is an Ultra Edition by Mobility Works. I'm going to show you how the lift works here. It is a brawn. It's fully serviced. You have the remote. Oh, need to have the e-brake on. Excuse me. You need to engage the emergency brake before you use the wheelchair lift. It's the front seat. The leather's in almost perfect shape. Almost no wear at all. They have 90,000 original miles. Excellent body, interior, all the way around. Here we go. Works very easily. Seamless transitions. And straight as an arrow. All the way in there. As you can see, have the Sherlock tie downs in the floor, lowered floor. The rear seat folds down into a flat bed. The full scope here. You have this beautiful limo lighting throughout. It's underneath the window treatments. You have TV, DVD player. There's remotes for that. There's headsets for that. I have full service records on this van. This guy really took care of it. It's in great shape. It needs nothing at all. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We're happy to help at any time. Show you this side of the van. I had that door open. Has the raised doors and lowered floor. Inside and out. Beautiful van. Give us a call. 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken, or visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Thank you.